Hello everyone, welcome back to day 259 of my high school PE journal. And today I'll just be talking a bit about reinforcement learning, what it is. Now, reinforcement learning, the easiest way to think of it is the way you train a dog. If the dog does something good, oh, you say good dog and give it a treat. If the dog does something bad, you say bad dog and don't give it a treat. That's what reinforcement learning is. The machine learning is just like a pet. You're teaching it. And instead of just giving it a training set to learn on, it has a set of states. You define a set of possible action and then rewards associated with that action. Now, the goal for the AI would be to learn the best action in any state, meaning the way to get that to that reward. The terminal state would be the end of a stage. Now, the way this works is let's say that you're in a maze of some sort, maybe it's like an Amazon warehouse with a lot of boxes. You want to knock off those layers of boxes because then, a lot of work gone. And there's a little like machine learning robot which is kind of moving, has to get from point A to point B. Maybe it has to take a box from like a drop off spot and drop it off at another spot. That's where you can use reinforcement learning. You could map out this digitally and then give it like negative ones on the places where the box is hit and positive ones where the box hasn't hit. Now, what it would do is it would use things like Pathfinder to find the most optimal solution because it's not trying to get negative points because, would a dog want to be called good dog or bad dog and get a treat? Exactly. It would like that treat. Same thing with this. It's going to try and find the most optimal path to make the most correct guesses. It's going to take a long time. It can take one epoch. Again, epoch just means the amount of time it's doing it. One epoch, two epoch, till it can find the best route to get those pluses. That's what reinforcement learning is, and that's one of the few examples where it does work. See you guys tomorrow.